Dito sa Jenga, it's the opposite naman. Usually, people when they play, they don't talk. So, do you find that nagkakaroon na maraming instances in the organization wherein people are not able to communicate with each other? But how do you overcome that? Pag may mga taong ayok mapag-usap, paano mo silang ina-encourage makipag-usap?
Pagka mainit pa masyado, wag mo muna siyang hahawakan eh. Palamagin mo muna siya. And then later on, pag nag-mellow down na ang lahat, tsaka natin itry. Ma-reconcile sila on both parties kung merong miscommunication or misunderstanding. Ganun. Kasi pagka yung sobrang init pa, tapos pagtatry niyo pag-usapin, most of the time based on my experience, hindi kasi siya nag-working.
Meanwhile,
Oh, wait lang. Dahil medyo mataas na siya. Kapag natumba, dapat mag-chicken dance. So, dapat may dare.
Ganon.
Dapat may
Teka
dare sa
lang,
nakatumba.
wag muna.
Oh, surprise!
Surprise!
Pwede yung daling-daling.
This is Under the Sun.